In this video, I'm going to go over themes again, but this time from a VC admin perspective. So if you have a VividCharts admin rule, the added features that you have. So you can see in this report that we have built, it's just a non-filterable slide deck. We have a single slide at the moment. Let's go ahead and add a slide. You can see that there's a background color to that. So and you can see the color of the chart here. So these are not default settings in VividCharts. So you can tell that we have a theme applied here. If you need to see how we apply that theme, you can go watch the last video, Intro to Themes. Now, let's say I'm an admin and I'm coming over here and I see themes. And I just see two options here, but I know that maybe my department, maybe my product, maybe I just want a theme for my team that's styled a little bit different. If you have the admin role, you now have not only the apply theme, edit theme. So I can go edit the theme that's already applied, or I can add a new theme. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new theme, give it a title, say bird. Okay. And then I can start setting, here are the default options you have. So you have a background color, primary palette, etc. So I can just go ahead and start going down here. I'm just gonna choose a blue, choose a primary color here. So one thing that you'll notice is when you edit these styles, each of them, there's a bunch of properties here that you need to understand in order to create those styles. So the name, you can go ahead and change that name if you want it something different. The type, so in this case, we want a single color, but there are other style types here. The value, so in this case, it's a single color, so I'm picking a single color from the picker here for the value. Let's go ahead and change that. Let's say the single color is a master screen. And then the options path. I'll do another video specifically on this, but what this does is it says, go find where these paths exist in our report and then apply these styles to that path. So in this case, I have one options path. I could add another path if I wanted to. And again, I'll go through another video to show more detail on this topic. Well, we're going to go ahead and close that one. So now we have a background color of blue, primary color of green. This thing is going to be very ugly, but we'll keep going. We'll go ahead and set this to, we'll set it something really big just so we can see the changes. So this is going to be anything that's title. It is the size property on the title. So we should see the title of this chart increase by quite a bit. So I like this setting, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. So now I have this new preferred brain. So again, if I want to change everything, so this background color should also change. We'll go ahead and go into our themes. We'll say apply that theme. It's going to say, are you sure? Because everything is going to be did by this theme. I'm going to say, okay. And now you can see that the changes we just made, the title's really big, the background color is the color we set, the chart color is set to that single color, and this color changed again. Very ugly and not good looking, but you get the idea of how themes can be created. Now, one thing is true is once a theme has been created, now those settings are going to apply to other elements in the add to this. So let's go ahead and add another slide. Let's add a blank slide here. You can see that on slide 3, which I just added, there's now the same background color. If we go ahead and add a chart, we'll just add a score chart really quick. We'll just say off the project table, and we'll just do a real basic count of projects. So we'll hit save. So you can see the title of this obeyed that chart or the theme that I've just created. So hopefully that gives you a sense of how powerful the themes can be. And if you have a VC admin role, your ability to both add a theme and edit the theme. Let's go ahead and edit this theme. Let's go change that primary font size. Let's say we wanted to actually something that's a little bit more feasible. We'll go back to 24. So we would close. I'm going to save, and then we're going to apply that again. And now you can see we got changed there, and back here again too. So not only did the theme change, now every element I add is going to have that new updated element to the theme. So again, hopefully that shares some of the powerfulness of using themes as an app.